Hello everybody, welcome back to DS Trucks. In today's video we are going to be trying a new product. This is a floor mat from OEDRO. So hopefully I'm saying that right. That's kind of just how I've always said it. This is a different company. Usually we run WeatherTech or Husky Liner, but they reached out and wanted me to review their floor mats, so why not? My wife needs to set in her F-150, so let's go ahead and open up the box and see how they come and see how this product looks. So they hooked me up. They sent me the full deal, front, back, everything. Let's pull these out and see how they look. All right, looks nice. This one's probably the driver. Okay, looks good. And then you got the big old rear. All right, let's see how this looks. I mean, how this works out. It kind of reminds me of WeatherTech, but let's install these in the truck, see how they fit. Out with the old, in with the new. Not bad, actually. Looks like it fits pretty good. Let's see here. What's the deal here? Should this go under this? Maybe? I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. I'm gonna stick it under here, if that holds it in place better. Kind of like that. I don't know. Yeah, it looks pretty good there. Okay, let's do the other side. Okay, other side going in. See how it fits. The gas pedal there. Okay. In she goes. Nice big level, big dish. I'll say that. Like the I've never put one of these in and had the rubber liner come that high up against the plastic. On the other side you saw it tucked under the plastic, and it actually worked out good that way. Alright, that's in. That's in. So yeah, the protection does seem pretty good, you know. Really tall lip there. Good coverage here. Good fitment there in the corner. Not bad. I guess time will tell. You know, will feet rub through here? Will a lot of traffic cause a hole to form? I've had that happen with the WeatherTech. I guess this is going to be a long-term review, but I think these have a better level of coverage than the OEM. Are they better than WeatherTechs or Husky Liners? I don't know. Guess time will tell. What I do like is they use a piece of metal right here, which seems kind of premium, with their logo or whatever it is. It's metal. Kind of interesting. We'll see how that lasts. Will it corrode when salt hits it or anything? Will that hold up? It probably will. It does seem like it's aluminum or some kind of metal like that. But yeah, pretty cool. Let's go ahead and get the rear installed. And the rear is installed. So yeah, very good protection as far as coverage. You get tons of coverage. Definitely got the floor protection that you would want. What I would like is a little better fitment here where it sits, and it just needs to relax once you get you know, it in here for a while and get the heat going. Maybe it'll kind of lay down, but just a little bit of a the way it kind of pops up, which I've seen with WeatherTechs as well. I think time will tell if these ends will curl. We'll see how they lay down after a couple of days, and I think, you know, just being in the packaging and being wrapped up, you know, they kind of sit a little high, and it's very minor. It's just, you know, we'll see how it goes. But very good protection here in the front. Everything lays down really good. Got your metal OEDRO logo there, and yeah, looks good. And let's shoot over to the driver's side. Here's how the driver's side looks. fits the F-150 in my opinion. Looks nice. So you guys tell me, is this product worth it? I'll post a link to it somewhere. I don't know the cost. They did send me these, so I didn't have to pay. But you guys take a look at it, at the product. You can see how it looks here. It's fitment and everything. Take a look at it and tell me what you think in the comment section. Do you think it's worth the money? But anyway, this is Sean. This is DS Trucks. I want to thank OEDRO for sending me this product, and thank you guys for watching this video. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. Over and out.